Graduation exam type essay. You have 30 minutes to write your essay. You were instructed to write one page. You write in pencil. Useful tips. Read the essay carefully and make sure you fully understand the topic. Organize your work into 4 to 5 paragraphs. Use a lot of formal linking words. Example of linking words are to use different expressions for giving reasons. One reason for is many people believe that, since, due to, expressions, opinions. To my mind, I'm convinced that, from my point of view, adding ideas, first of all. Secondly, what is more? Finally, etc. Expand, develop, and explain your points. Check over your work at the end. So make sure that when you finish your essay that you give yourself a few minutes to look over the essay. Possible structures, graduation exam type essay. First of all, we have the introduction, which is paraphrase, question, and include your opinion. Number two, we have body paragraphs, first point of view. Number three, we have body paragraphs, second point of view. And number four, we have the conclusion, paraphrase your opinion, summary of the body paragraphs with different wording. So there are some problems that we have when we want to make the introduction. So it says here, problems at writing the introduction, paragraph 1. Writing, paraphrasing the questions. Topic, prompt to write about. Essay, education is the single most important factor in development of a country. So we have to write about that topic. Now we're going to look at how to make a introduction about this. But this introduction here we can see is wrong because we are copying the prompt's wording. It says, I agree that education is the single most important factor in the development of a country because. Now that is not a good introduction because we are using the same words as in the prompt. We want to paraphrase, to change the word sentence structure and keep the meaning. So we want to change those words to use our own words. So changing the wording to not make it look like we're copying the prompt. This is an example. Although many would argue that the economy is the most important factor in national building, I think education has a far greater impact. So we can see here, this is a different introduction where we change the wording. We're using our own words, we're not copying the same words from the prompt. Now in this part, it would be a good idea for you to stop the video or to pause the video here and take a picture because this is how we should structure our essay. We have the 4 parts of a graduation exam type essay. This here is essay writing prompt. This is an example of a prompt. We're going to read this prompt. So an essay prompt, the topic to write about. Let's read this prompt and then we have to write about it. Essay writing prompt. Tomorrow the City Council will vote on whether to build a cafe and nature museum in the Smithton Forest. The city believes this will allow more people to enjoy this land. Some people disagree with the decision of the City Council. They say it is best to leave this area wild and untouched. The city has other cafes and museums that people can visit, they say. Some people think that forests should be left as wild and natural as possible. Others think that forests should include spaces for people to enjoy activities. What do you think? Explain your opinion, giving specific reasons to support your views. So we have to write about that. We have to write our essay about that topic. Now we will make the essay about the prompt. So we're going to see how to make the essay. So this is essay writing prompt. We have an essay sample. We're going to read the first paragraph, which is introduction. Your personal opinion. Nature has been a part of human life throughout the existence. It is crucial for the human being, yet some of us don't realize the importance of it. Why do we feel the need to disturb natural environments. Here we are paraphrasing with different wording to the prompt. This is the introduction where we're paraphrasing. And now we're going to proceed to the second paragraph, which is the body. So, body, first paragraph, first point of view from the body. Throughout the years, many animal species and plants have become extinct. This is the topic sentence to support your opinion. It has come to the point where we can say even elephants are endangered animals, or that India is the only country that has tigers and lions in its wilderness. But this is still not enough for us to take action. So we can see here the rest of the paragraph is supporting details to back up topic sentence. Now the second paragraph, this is of the body. This is the body, second paragraph, second point of view. Voting on whether to build a cafe in a forest shouldn't even be a question. This is the topic sentence to support your opinion. It is only one more project that gets us a step closer to destroying Mother Nature. Why do we need a cafe that produces waste and toxic gases weekly instead of trees, plants and animals that help purify the air and the environment itself? So we can see this is the second paragraph of the body, supporting details to back up the topic sentence. Now we're going to proceed with the third paragraph of the body, which is actually the fourth paragraph of the essay. So this is the body, third paragraph, third point of view. I think that people do not understand the importance of nature and what consequences would be if we keep destroying it. So this is the topic sentence to support your opinion. And I'm not only referring to the plants or trees. It's also about animals, from a giant whale to an insignificant in size bee. They are all part of a food chain, and we can definitely not afford to ruin it just to have a nice cup of coffee. So we can see the supporting details to back up the topic sentence in the third paragraph. Now we have the last paragraph, which is the conclusion. So let's have a look at the conclusion. So this is where the conclusion restates your reasons for the paragraphs in the body in different wording. We are part of this world, a part of this environment, and instead of killing it, we should be the ones saving it and making projects in its favor. We are the only living creatures in this planet capable of thinking, and we should really start using that gift to save this planet. It's not too late yet. So this is the conclusion. We have to use different wording, so do not give new information in this part. Okay, we have to use different wording but summarize what we said in the first, in the other paragraphs, of the body. So we can see this is the essay that is complete with the introduction, 3 paragraphs for the body, and then the conclusion. So a summary of what we learned. So you could take a picture of this. This will explain everything that we've seen so far, in other words. So pause the video up ahead to take note, right? So pause the video in the next image and take a picture so you can have that information. So you can take a picture of that and you can, or capture the screen, right? And you have information about how to make an essay if you want to practice more. So we have an example, should cell phones be banned at schools? This is another example of an essay, which you can check this out. You can take a picture of that and see how that essay is made. It's a basic essay, basic ideas. It has the, in the paragraph it has the advantages and disadvantages. And then another essay is an opinion essay, linking words. Now, are video games a good way to keep fit? So you can see here that we have linking words in this essay, so you can practice that. You can use some linking words, as you can see in the example. So thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, you can leave any comments or questions in the comment box below the video. Thank you for your attention. I hope that this was good for you.